Now, do you feel lost? Are you looking for a purpose? You don't know what you want, what your soul wants. You're just wandering here and there. Now, if that is so, then this video might be for you. In Vedic astrology, there is a concept called Atmakarak planet. Now, which tells you what path to follow in your life. It guides you towards your path of fulfillment. Right. Now, how to find that Atmakarak planet? We'll talk about this in this video. Now, how to find a Atmakarak planet? Now, any planet that has the highest degree in your kundali is your Atmakarak planet, except for Rahu and Ketu. They are not counted. Now, in this example, Mars is your Atmakarak planet because it has the highest degree. Now, how does it work then? Now, if you find your Atmakarak planet and follow the path that is associated with that planet, that is your Atmakarak planet, then you are most likely to succeed in your life and you are most likely to find your fulfillment in your life. That's how Atmakarak planet works. Right. Now, if the sun is your Atmakarak planet, which is also a natural Atmakarak planet, then you're most likely to succeed in fields like government, leadership, politics, or anything that is related to the sun in Vedic astrology. Right? Now, if the moon is your Atmakarak planet, the moon is the significator of mother, liquid, right? Subconscious mind, emotions. Now, any field that is associated with moon is good for you, right? Like psychology, caregiving, healing, or any field where you can develop an emotional connection with other people. Similarly, if Mars is your Atmakarak planet, then you'll find success in engineering, sports, security, police, army, weaponry, all these kind of things. Anything associated with Mars, right? With Mercury, science, data science, software engineering, where you have to use your brain, right? Journalism, writing, all these kind of things. Anything associated with Mercury. Now, if Venus, then entertainment, beauty, aesthetics, anything related to women, right? Or love, romance, movies. Now, with Jupiter, teaching, education, humanitarian work, social work, religion, spirituality, and even astrology. Now, Saturn, routine work, administrative work, construction, mining, uh, blue collar works, even research or anything related to Saturn. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you don't know how to look at your Atmakarak planet, please comment your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. I'll have a look and reply it back to you. Thank you for watching. See you.